to show you how to manage your WooCommerce store. You're gonna see that it's pretty easy to manage your store on WordPress, and I will explain everything. First, you need to open your dashboard for WordPress. One thing is the WordPress. WordPress is the big platform, and WooCommerce is a plugin that works as an online store on your WordPress platform. So you open your WordPress platform and you click on WooCommerce. You can see on your left side in the black color, and you can see WooCommerce here. Once you click on WooCommerce, you go to Home, and you're gonna open a new window. This new window is where you're gonna manage your store. So you can see WooCommerce here, Home. You don't need to concentrate in Home because you're gonna manage other things instead of Home. But Home is a general information about your store. What is risked here is the reason that you added products, you added store details, tax rate, and here it's like some insights for get more sales and personalize your store. Don't click on this because they will suggest you to change your theme, and you don't need to change your theme. You have a theme already. It's another theme that's running on your WordPress. If you change this, you're gonna change the whole store. It's gonna be a big mess. So things to do next to get the free WooCommerce mobile app. It's up to you. Review shipping options. Tour the WooCommerce marketplace. I suggest you to do this because you can have a more overview about the WordPress. And this is some I think blog things, so you can open this. Okay. And this is the orders. Once you receive an order here, you're gonna see numbers here in green. I don't know, but it's gonna be highlight numbers of orders open here, so you can manage your orders. Just click on orders. For now, you don't have any order here, but you're gonna see the name of the customer, the address, the product that they buy, how the status of the order, and everything. Or you can add an order manually. You can put here the billing address, the name of the customer. You can create a new customer, and you can add items. You can do everything by your own. For example, if some customer call you and to place an order over the phone, you can open your system here, and you can insert the order here, because once you do here, the customers is gonna be able to track in the order. They're gonna receive an email with the order and the invoice and everything else. For this one is about the products, and you can have all products here, so you can see the products, if in stock, out of stock, all status of your product. I'm gonna get into more detail in each point here, but for this video, it's only an overview about the WooCommerce program. You can have categories. So categories here, once you put photos here, it's gonna show up on your website. If you don't put, the picture is gonna be like this. So this is the categories. I'm gonna go inside this. Tags, no tags for now. Attributes is what you can see into your product page. So you can have colors, fabric color, mattress size, pick the color. For this one, it's about the futon mattress or futon chairs, futon beds. But for this one, I don't recommend you to delete anything because we can need in the future, and it's not like affect your actual store. Add new, you can add a new product from here, okay? But I'm gonna tell you the easiest way to add a product for now. Okay, so you can have product fields. Product fields you're gonna use because it's the one that is special for your store. Is this information here is the product fields. And where are we? Product fields. Let me open again. The product fields is here. So this is all product fields that the mostly belongs to another website. But please don't delete anything here because you can have in the future you're gonna need to use this, and it's a good to see how we create some specific field for the only one product. So for now you're gonna use assembly for our products, but for this belongs to another website. Okay. You can have the reviews also if you have any review, but you don't need it to have this. I mean, I prefer to have reviews on Google because it's more like spread it to the other customers to see instead of in a website. Okay, so this is the marketplace. The marketplace is where your Woocomerce is built. So this is some settings. I'm gonna do an overview, but I recommend not to edit this much because it's gonna affect the store. But for example, if you need to change your address, if you move out, and you can change your address here. You can change where you are in selling your stuffs. For now, I put United States, but you can pick like only Florida or only another country. And you can have this shipped to all countries you sell to. Or you can disable shipping. But I don't recommend it, or it's up to you because you have delivery and you can ship it to another state, I don't know. But if you can disable this if you want to. Enable tax rate and everything. Enable the use of coupon codes. Okay, so this is some settings for your store, and you have settings for products. You can have settings for tax. Okay, the rate here is 7%. Settings for shipping. For now, I put contact us for delivery because you don't have shipping right now. This is the payment settings. You have a Square credit card. If you want to manage to change or something, you can come to manage. And here you can enable, you can disable, you can do anything you want. This is about accounts and privacy. So this is some options that I checked here to be easier to the customers navigate on your website during the checkout because you don't want like to lose sales. So for this is important to keep this on because you can have like more flexibility when the customers are doing some shop on your store. So the first one, allow customers to place order without an account. If you wanted to keep this open, you can do it. If you don't want, you're gonna like restrict more your store. So you just uncheck this. So only login customers can buy on your store, and you can allow to log in into an existing account during the checkout. It's good. All customers to create an account during checkout is good also. Allow customers to create an account in my account page. When create an account, automatically generate an account username. When create an account, send new user link to set their password. So this is I consider it important to keep on your store, but you can remove anytime you want. This information is a default information, so I keep this. And if you do some change here, don't forget to save. Emails. Here also you can anytime change the email that you want to receive emails from your website. Just come to emails and you're gonna see which email you want to receive, because for example, new order, canceled order, failed order, all this is gonna go to this email here. This one is going to customers because it's interesting for customers, and this one for Square is to this email here. And this is where it comes from your email and the email address. Let me fix this. Anything you do on your website to save changes. Okay. Integration. Integration is a deeper setting, so I don't do anything here. Advanced. The same, I don't like change anything here. I keep this, but you can change something here. Analytics. Analytics is better when you have Google Ads, so you can, or Google Analytics, so you can like sync everything, and you can have like a data. Square is where for this you're gonna manage the payment only, and here you're gonna manage your Square account. For example, if you want to change the account, and you can do it here. Okay, for now it's everything, it's sync, but you can disconnect it in the future, is up to you. Product fields is the setting for the product fields. For this one, you don't need to change anything, but it's good for you to know where are the plugin settings. Okay. All right, this is the Woocomerce store overview, and the next videos I'm gonna get into details for these points here.